Hi guys, I'm Reyhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern. This is useful for everything, for example, for your tablecloths, for a scarf, or for a jacket, or everything. So this is so easy and you can make it in different color. So let's go to see how to crochet this pattern. For this tutorial I use this size of the hook. So let's go to see how to crochet this. Need chains. The number of chains depends of your case. For example, here I have more than 30 chains, but now I learning to do with 30 chains. But don't forget, this number must be the multiply of 5. So must be multiply of 5. For example, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, okay? Now we need 30 chains. So make a slip knot and make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we have 30 chains. Now I have 30 chains. Then we need one more chain, and then in each chain we need one single crochet. So put the hook in the second chain and make one single crochet. Again, go to the next stitch, exactly here, next chain, and make one single crochet. Again, repeat, go to the next chain and make one single crochet. So you must continue this until you complete this part with single crochet. Okay, now I complete this and I have 30 single crochet here. Then we need 3 chains, so 1, 2 and 3. Then in the first stitch, exactly here, make one double crochet, exactly here. Make one double crochet like this, and then make one chain and go to the 5 stitch. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, exactly here, and make 3 double crochet here. This is the first double crochet, so this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, then make 2 chains, 1 and 2, like this, and again we need 3 double crochet in the same hole, exactly here. So 1, 2 and 3. Now we have this shape. Then we need one chain and go to the 5 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. Put the hook here and make one double crochet. Again, just one double crochet and 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then again another double crochet in the same hole. So put the hook again here. and make another double crochet. Okay, again make one chain and go here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Put the hook here and make 3 double crochet. 1, again here, 2, again here, 3 double crochet, then 2 chains, and again here 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, and 3. Again 1 chain and count 1 2 3 4 and 5 exactly here. Make 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet. Okay, again here, repeat. Okay, now I arrive here in the end of this part, and I have 1 2 3 4 and 5 stitch here, so I put the hook in the last stitch here and make 2 double crochet together, 1 and 2. Now we have this shape. Again, you must repeat this. Make 1 2 and 3 chains, and here in above of this stitch make 1 double crochet like this, and then 1 chain. Then in the middle of this part in V shape, put the hook here and make 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and again here this is 3. Again 2 chains, and here the same hole, 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Okay, then we need 1 chain and go to this part here between this V shape, this small V shape, and here we need 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again here another double crochet. Okay, again repeat 1 chain, go to the next V shape, 3 double crochet here, 1 2 and 3, then 2 chains, and again here 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and again 1 chain, and go here and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet. Again 1 chain and go here, 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, then 2 chains and 3 double crochet here, 1 again here 2 and 3, again 1 chain, and go to above of this part in the first stitch here and make 2 double crochet together, 1 and again 2. Now complete round 2. You must continue this until you think it's good for the size. For example, here I complete this because we want to use it for the tablecloths. It is good for me. Now when you arrive here, you have this shape, but here you have this shape. This is good, okay? So for this part, use again the yarn and put it here, exactly here. Okay, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains and put it here into this V shape and make 1 slip stitch, then make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains and put the hook here and make single crochet. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, put the hook here and make slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, put the hook here and make single crochet. Okay, so continue as this until you arrive here. Don't forget, for this part you need slip stitch and for this part you need single crochet. Okay, now when you complete this part, make 1 chain and in each space you need single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go to the next stitch, next hole, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 single crochet. So continue as this until you complete this part, and then you can continue as this single crochet into this part and this part and this part. Then it is finished. Okay, now it is complete. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.